Look at this game. Smooth 3D graphics, particle effects, procedural audio, and an AI built the whole thing from a single HTML file. Before I show you how, hit subscribe, and if you want to play it yourself, the download link is right at the top of the description. Here's the crazy part: I didn't use Unity, I didn't use Unreal, I gave an AI one challenge, built a polished 3D infinite runner using Three.js, and fit absolutely everything into one file. No texture packs, no sound files, no game engine, just code. The AI generated the world, the obstacles, the lighting, the sound effects, the animations, the collision system, and even performance optimizations to keep the game running smoothly in your browser. And this is just the beginning. If you ever wanted to make games but you thought coding was too difficult, AI is changing the rules completely. A simple idea and the right prompt can turn into a playable prototype in minutes. I put the exact master prompt I used in the description. You can copy it, paste it into your favorite AI, and build your own version. Add enemies, change the theme, create entirely new mechanics, whatever you can imagine. So try the Cube Dash, let me know your high score in the comments, and subscribe because we are building even crazier AI projects next.